Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So this is a bit of a continuation video about the Gorka 4 clothing system. So I've come to the woods on this January morning. It's raining, but I'm good. I'm pretty dry in my Gorka. I don't know if you can see, but the water is bleeding off at the minute. As I said before, it is water resistant but not waterproof, so to a degree it's going to keep you nice and dry. So in this video, what I want to do is kind of show how well this, well, if you can call it a camouflage pattern, blends in, and also how quiet it is when you're moving around. So stick around and I'll hopefully impart a little bit more information with you. So cheers.
Okay, so as you can see, the Gorka 4 clothing system works really well, I would think, in most European woodland settings. The two-tone colour of the system works really well to break up the shape of the person without being too military looking, in my opinion.
Okay, so how quiet is it when you're moving around? So I think first I will do a little bit of a dance, and after that I'll kind of walk back and forth. Hopefully the microphone picks it up. It is pretty quiet. I would compare it to a British Soldier 95 jacket in terms of its quietness, but yeah, you can judge for yourself. So hope no one's watching me. So that's that. I'll now walk back and forth near the microphone and hopefully it'll pick anything up. So. Okay, so right next to the microphone and the arm. Obviously there's a little bit of noise. The legs when you're walking. So it's designed to be baggy. As you can see, there's quite a lot of room there, but they do rub together the crotch area. So there you go. I think that's pretty quiet. So next, I think flexibility. So we'll do that next. Okay, so flexibility. I like to think I have full range of movement in this. As I said before, it is designed for Russian special and regular forces, so it's a tried and tested system. But yeah, I can squat down, I can bend over, I can jump, I can reach right behind. The floor's really muddy, but I can do press-ups. No issue at all. I can run. And if I wanted to, I'm sure I could roll on the floor, but I really don't want to get it muddy. I've already had it for 2 weeks now, so I don't want to get it dirty. So there you go. Hopefully that answers some of the questions that you may have regarding the Gorka clothing system. It's fantastic. I love it. I can't get enough. I just wish my missus let me wear it in the house. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.